Hi, folks. This is Paul Peebles from Sashco, and I'm here to talk to you about coatings on your log home, both inside and out. People get all wound up about the exterior because it's what has to fight off Mother Nature for you for the next 20 or 30 years, and that's very important. But right now, I want to talk about the interior because sometimes it's overlooked. A lot of folks just go and buy some type of clear stuff and put it on there, and it'll probably look pretty good. A lot of them don't end up doing the prep. It's very important that you do the correct prep on the inside, just like you would on the exterior of the house. A lot of times that involves sanding. Sometimes it involves power washing or other methods. There's a lot of ways to do it. But once you've got it clean, the thing to be concerned with on the inside is most people want to put a clear coat so that they can see the grain and see the wood that they paid for and the wood that is so attractive in log homes. The problem with that is they don't understand that. Have you ever moved a picture that's been on your wall for 10 years and you see that picture frame effect? That happens to wood too, on the inside of a house. Luckily at Sashco, we've come up with a new product we've had out for about 4 years now called Color Fast. Color Fast is a primer. It's got a lot of other properties to it too. And one of them is it's got a thing called lignin stabilizer in it. Now, nobody really needs to know what lignin stabilizer is, except for that what it does is when put on a wall, it prevents yellowing. So if you put this stuff on and then you put another product called Symphony, which is an acrylic clear over the top of it, you're going to have a low gloss, beautiful coating that shows the grain and it won't change color for many, many years. And that is the only product that I know out there that does that. So call us at Sashco, customer service 800-767-5656, or contact Honest Abe. We can help you. Thank you.